All right, traders, just a very quick one right here. I took a trade that gave me 20 pips just this morning, and then I actually shared this particular trade before taking it with the community members on Telegram. Now, if you're not in this Telegram community, make sure you join it with the link provided in the description of this particular video. The Telegram channel is this particular one, and then whenever I make a post, you will have access to comment on it. You can see comment, right? You simply click on it and it will take you to the Telegram group that is attached with the channel. All right, so the Telegram group is where you will have option to type, and you will see every post I'm making in the channel. It will come directly right here. So for those of you who are not yet here, make sure you join it. There are quite a number of traders, even on days that I'm not sending analysis. Some good traders are there helping and guiding. Thank you guys for doing a lot of work right there. So I actually shared two analysis on GBP USD and Euro USD. I later selected Euro USD as my pair of interest, and the only reason was because Euro USD was giving me exactly what I was looking for. So this was Euro USD. I saw price coming. This is the 1 hour time frame breaking structure right here, pushing up to this area, and I saw price leaving this area. This is shift in market structure. This is discount area. I was expecting price to come back, read the liquidity right here, inducement. You have a fair value gap right here, and then a breaker block right here. So this is part of the kind of entry I actually taught you some few days back about unicorn entry, a combination or a confluence of a fair value gap and a breaker block. So when price decides to come down here, I wanted to enter the trade, but this will take a long time. All right, so I later shared another analysis. I was watching the market, and then I saw something right here. I said, guys, it is possible we might have a London Killzone trade on this if we shift market structure. So this was what I saw. Price rated liquidity below here. All right, so normally when we trade this kind of strategy, we wait for price to either pick liquidity above Asian high. This is Asian range. This particular box you're seeing, this is Asian high and this is Asian low. So once we see price take out liquidity above, we look for an opportunity to go bearish, and when we take liquidity below, we look for an opportunity to go bullish. So I saw price actually did this, pushing lower than this. Can you see? This is the Asian low. It pushed lower than this, trading into this particular order block, and it was a very good opportunity. I was updating the Telegram community. I actually told them that once we see a shift in market structure here, I think it's good for us to enter the trade. So I actually entered the trade right here, and the only reason was because I was following my analysis and I trust what I was doing. Except if you are not in the community, you know me to be a very strong opinionated person. Once I do my analysis, I don't change the direction. So immediately after entering this trade, exactly at, let me show you the place right here. For those of you who have not been following the concept, you can find everything about ICT Killzones on my YouTube channel right here. Come over here and you will come to playlist. I have made so many detailed videos on how to trade ICT Killzones. You can see it, almost 6 videos. This is where you will find them. So I actually saw this happen in the morning. Let me take it back and replay everything right here without wasting any time. So that was exactly when I said I saw price rating liquidity below here. Liquidity is simply money, and all this area is filled with liquidity. According to ICT, liquidity is from the body of the candles right here, even down here. So we have rated liquidity below there, and we shifted structure right at this point. This is exactly the model I taught. Once we sweep liquidity below during the ICT London Killzone. The London Killzone is between the time of 7 a.m. London time, and if you're in Nigeria, that's almost the same time in Nigeria, to 10 a.m. Exactly 10-hour window. So we will use this opportunity to get a trade entry. So this was exactly within that time, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., 3-hour window. So we sweep liquidity and then we shifted structure in the lower time frame right here. That is the 5-minute time frame after sweeping liquidity in the 15-minute time frame. And then I saw this particular fair value gap. Everything that is here I actually shared with you in the community. So if you are not in the community, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also join the Telegram community. So I entered the trade right here with my MT4 on my mobile phone. I took the trade right here. All right, so immediately I took the trade, I saw price moving in my direction, and it printed this candlestick, and I was, wow, would this trade ever come back? I was waiting for it. But as usual, this was 20 pips trade. You can see exactly 20 pips. All right. I was waiting for price to actually reach my TP, but price actually quickly came back because DXY was struggling with another level. DXY is the dollar index. It measures the strength of the United States dollar and the performance of the United States dollar. So that was the DXY. I was seeing DXY and I saw a kind of pressure coming on the buy side. If DXY is strong, that means foreign currencies will be weak. All right. So I saw this coming in. This was the movement that came in, and then my trade on GBP USD had a challenge. So I actually updated the community members to bring their stops to break even. So it was when I saw that movement that I actually updated the community members to bring their stop losses to break even. For those people who are scared, because I'm dealing with a community of both beginners and I have other traders that are professionals. So I wanted them to be patient, to have their mindset correctly. So I said they should bring their stops to break even. But unfortunately, those people who have done that got stopped out. All right. But eventually I saw price actually gave us, those of us that are still in the trade after when price came to this area, almost stopping us out. I wasn't even close to my screen. When I came back, I saw price already came here and was bouncing back to this area. So this was exactly the concept I used to take the trade. I was watching everything. I knew that price was going to be pushing down, exactly looking at this. Price may eventually push below this level. This place price will definitely read it, but before then I can see an opportunity for price to push up again and read liquidity, and there is a very huge liquidity pool lying above here. So price can decide to do anything. When it comes to trading, you follow what price does, not what you do. So all this liquidity pool is yet to be filled up. Above here there is a breaker block. Probably price may eventually push above to that level, but I was actually very careful with that. I was not risking much with this trade, and the trade actually gave us what we needed, you know. And even if we are trading against the trend or we are trading counter trading, we are not actually taking a wrong side by taking that particular trade on that particular time frame. So that was what happened. You can actually see after price took out the liquidity on Asian high, now it is quickly coming down, and that was the point that price was moving for. All right, so we don't know what will happen. Price may decide to come and fill up this imbalance and then kick up again, or it can decide to go up here and fill up this liquidity void before coming down again. Price can do anything, so follow what price is doing, and once you do your analysis, have a very strong mindset that this trade is going to be possible. No matter what will happen, let it be. And that is how to build a robust trading psychology. And this is the analysis about this particular trade. So we will watch and see whatever price will do. I've closed my trade and I'm not taking any trade yet. Maybe tomorrow or maybe towards the end of New York session, I will go for trade again, but I'm watching everything happening here. Price may decide to read the liquidity right here. This may be the target, or if it did not come here, it will just read some of the sell side liquidity here before coming up to fill this imbalance right here. This imbalance must be filled. That is just it. If it comes here, it will start from there. If it didn't come there, it will just go ahead and go to this level before coming down. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of this update from me, I will be there to share more of it. The strategy we used right here was ICT London Killzone strategy, where you will have chance to see either the Asian high liquidity or the Asian low liquidity being completely swept before price moving up in another direction. So that is basically what we use. All right guys, see you in another video.